This is actually the Vedic principles here, that if you're not a good Brahmachari, you're not going to be a good Grihastha. Not that, oh, I'm a bad Brahmachari, and then I enter into the Grihastha ashram. No, actually, the Vedic system, good Brahmacharis create good Grihasthas, then create good vanaprasthas, and then take to the Paramahamsa stage sannyasa. So real humanity, real human life starts with Vedic principles. And this can be a little scary for people, especially in the West and people all over the place, that you hear about Vedic principles, rules and regulations, and it immediately becomes a burden, right? Oh, I have to follow these rules and regulations, Vedic principles. Sometimes it scares people because they want their freedom, right? A good example of this is that if I said, okay, everybody, we're going to go outside and we're going to play a game. And then we all go outside and we're ready for this game that we're going to play. And I say, okay, just play the game. Now, automatically, one person's going to be like, well, wait, what's the rules? How do I score? Where's the boundaries? How do we play this game? So actually, from childhood, we actually really liked rules and regulations because it helped us play. And even when we're playing and somebody goes against the rules and regulations, hey, you're out of bounds, or you did this, and that's why you need a referee. And otherwise, even now, when you're watching cricket or football or so on, and somebody's not playing the game properly, if they just go on the field and do whatever they want, well, that doesn't make the game fun. It actually ruins the game. So people are seemingly against rules and regulations, but actually that's how we have fun in this material world from the beginning stage.